Assalamu alaikum. My brothers and sisters, this is a special video going out to those of you who are on the front line and who've risked your lives and continue to risk your lives to save the rest of us. May Allah bless you and grant you goodness and open your doors. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless your loved ones. Many of you have stayed away from home. Many of you have long shifts. Many of you are very tired, exhausted. And I've been reading so many stories. Congratulations. We have no words to describe the brilliant work that you're doing. This goes to all the staff, the emergency staff, the doctors, the surgeons, the nurses, the helpers, everyone. There are so many out there whom we may not even know. May Allah bless you. We are really praying for you, and we consider you the true heroes and heroines of this particular struggle against coronavirus, COVID-19. Please don't give up.